Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind when they think about health and nutrition, calories. But it's not just about how many calories you eat, it's also about the quality of those calories. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is a calorie? In simple terms, a calorie is a unit of energy. Our bodies need calories for everything we do, from breathing to running a marathon. But not all calories are created equal, and that's what we're going to explore today. Let's start with the quantity part. Many of us have been told that weight management is just a matter of calories in versus calories out. Eat fewer calories than you burn, and you'll lose weight. Sounds simple, right? But it's not that straightforward. While reducing calorie intake can help with weight loss, it's not the only factor to consider. Plus, going too low on calories can actually slow down your metabolism and deprive you of essential nutrients. Now, let's talk about quality. Imagine you have 200 calories. You could either get those calories from a candy bar or from a bowl of fruits and nuts. While both give you the same amount of calories, the nutrients they provide are vastly different. The candy bar will give you a quick sugar rush and then a crash, making you feel hungry again soon. On the other hand, the fruits and nuts provide fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats that will keep you full and nourished for longer. This brings us to the concept of nutrient density. Foods that are nutrient-dense provide more vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial substances with relatively fewer calories. So, when you opt for a nutrient-dense snack like an apple over a high-calorie, low-nutrient option like a bag of chips, you're not just cutting calories, you're also giving your body the nutrients it needs to function optimally. So how can you strike a balance between quality and quantity? The key is to make mindful choices. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only nutrient-dense but also generally lower in calories. However, it's also important to watch portion sizes, even when you're eating healthy foods, as calories can still add up. One common mistake people make is thinking that if a food is healthy, you can eat as much of it as you want. While nuts, for example, are a great source of healthy fats, they're also calorie-dense. Another mistake is relying solely on calorie counting without considering the nutrient content of the foods you're eating. Remember, it's not just about eating fewer calories, it's about making those calories count. In summary, both the quality and the quantity of calories matter when it comes to overall health and well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and being mindful of portion sizes, you can give your body the fuel it needs to thrive, without the extra baggage. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.